Hey everyone, Dragon here. Tonight we have an impromptu camp out. It's a little bit chilly, but we're in the Pinchot State Forest. It's pretty local to our area for anyone that's watched any of either my videos or Kurt's videos. But it's like 35 degrees out right now. It's a clear night, enjoying a little bit of a campfire. And like usual, I have Panda here with me. Thank you. Keep in mind it is it's Halloween time.
Do you have anything to say, Panda? Hey, what's up everybody? This is BURNWOOD BUSHCRAFT, Ryan here, with my new buddies, Dragon and SkinnyGPanda.
Hey everyone.
Hi.
We are just out here having a good time. Got the fire going, cooking a little food on there. And I am the luckiest guy in the world today because I got to meet Michael Fire Jr. I was on the best hour, and now I'm camping with these awesome folks right here. So, Dragon kindly brought me a nice IPA.
Still in it.
Russian Duck Brewing Company. And it is absolutely outstanding. Cheers, everybody. Panda is over here stoking the fire as I trip over wood. She has done an awesome job keeping this fire going. It is nice and warm and toasty.
So I brought the beer. He brought the steak, which I'm currently
I brought
enjoying.
the steak. That little piece of steak got pretty well done. Dragon's got a piece of steak over here. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's how it goes right there.
Start gnawing on some sticks and be like, I'm trying to have some bamboo.
And I've got two more right there. Yeah, do it. Panda has her, she's got her bamboo. That's what she's eating tonight. She also has in the other hand her...
Oh, I stole it from Dragon. It's a
pocket bellows.
Pocket bellows. She's been blowing the fire because everything was a little damp. We had a little bit of trouble to start out with, but you know, it's because BURNWOOD BUSHCRAFT is out here trying to start a fire. He always has troubles, but we got it going now. Got Dragon set up over here. I still got to work on mine. This is a good time while we're standing here. I came with a couple gifts, and I wasn't really sure who I was going to run into, but this is yours. You guys can, it's not much, but you guys can share this, use it, put it on a shelf as a decoration if you want. But that is a little small canteen.
Oh no, we will use this.
Oh, that's pretty dope.
And it holds 20 ounces.
Destroy your thirst once and for all.
It holds.
Yeah, look at that advertising.
I know. It holds 20 ounces.
Of alcohol.
So it would be a perfect little flask, you know, and it comes with a lanyard.
I'm gonna open this sucker up.
But I will have to say that after purchasing, I read the reviews, and the reviews were not so great.
Oh really?
Because yeah, after the fact, the views were not that great, and because it's kind of thinly made, and they say the lid doesn't really.
Probably better than the Spencer quality canteen, so you're good.
Yeah. So.
Well, I don't know. You tighten this sucker down. It doesn't like slip or anything on the threads. It's all the way down.
Yeah, as long as it stays good. But if nothing else, it might look good on a shelf or something, you know, with the lanyard kind of wrapped around it or something. But something little. I gave one to Michael today, and we didn't really get that on film, but he got one like that, and so there's that one.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, no, we will. You'll definitely use it.
Thank you.
Guys can do a little sippy next time you're out on the trail or something. It's cold out here, man.
A little bit.
We've been talking too much and letting the fire go down too much. But we got it going now. So we're done with dinner, eating the steaks and stuff. Panda had to go, she's got to work. So Dragon and I are just going to hang out. And in a little bit, we're going to go check out our sleep setups. Stay tuned for that one. We got big wood on this little fire pit. Dragon and I have been out here dragging wood, cutting wood. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and we are still going with no signs of stopping, right, Dragon?
It doesn't look that way, not anytime soon.
Now this might be the grand finale right here. And then I might have to take it to the tarp. But this has been fun. It's been a kind of a struggle keeping the fire going because everything's a little damp, but I think we got it under control now. As long as we keep finding the dry stuff and using that, we're good to go. You see that frost? So I'm heading back to my tarp. To finish getting, this is my setup. But I'm going to get my sleeping bag laid out. Get ready to turn in for the night. There's my sleep pad. It's holding the air quite nicely. I'm probably going to close the front of my tarp, lay it down on the ground, stop some of the wind from coming in here. It's not too windy. No condensation because it's open. That might change if I close the end. But I plan on being snug as a bug in a rug. So I changed my setup and I closed the back side of the tarp to prevent airflow coming through there because it's pretty cold. It's really cold actually. But I got my sleeping bag in here, my bivy cover. And I got my water and my Camelback right there. And I got a wool blanket that I'm gonna bring down here and put inside the sleeping bag with me. That should be good to go. All night we've been getting wood. Just breaking it off from this this dead tree that fell. There's a lot of wood. So we've been burning that, dragging it up here. Been dragging wood. This is Dragon's setup right here. He's in his hammock. He's got his tarp set up. He's got his under quilt, his hammock set up here. Man, his system is awesome. Awesome setup, man. Hammock camping might be where it's at, man. Ain't that right, Dragon?
For me it is. It's definitely my preferred way to sleep out in the woods.
Dragon says he's a night owl, so we've been staying up. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, guys. And we're trying to get the last little bit of this wood in here. We had some big stuff on here.
That's definitely too wet to burn all the way through, though.
Yeah, everything's so kind of, there's been a lot of rain here, so everything's kind of taking a while to burn.
The little stuff's going like it's nothing, which is nice.
Right.
You just have to feed the fire a lot more. It's the only bad thing.
So we're determined to get the rest of this wood burnt, and then we're gonna go lights out. Hey, what's up, guys? It's about 3:45 in the morning. Finally going to bed. It's cold outside. It's 35 degrees. Alright, now it's probably like 32 degrees. There's a heavy frost forming on everything out there. Me and Dragon's been out there just burning all kinds of wood, just talking, having a few drinks. It's been fun. It's been a long day for me, man. I've almost been up 24 hours. But it's been fun. It's been cool. I got my tarp set up. I'm in my sleeping bag and my bivvy. I got the wool blanket inside the sleeping bag too. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Check out this scenery behind me. Just out here drinking coffee. Dragon and I stayed up pretty late last night, and this is the first time I get to see the beautiful trees and everything, because when we got here last night, it was dark. I'll show you guys around a little bit. Good morning, Mr. Dragon.
Good morning.
How did you sleep last night?
Pretty good. Got a little chilly at one point, but had some extra gear with me, so I just threw on another layer. Good to go.
Good deal, man. I was out like a light. I slept actually really warm. Dragon's setup is right here. He's already taken down his, rolled up his tarp that he had over his sleeping bag. Awesome setup, man. It's got me wanting to do some better hammock camping. Got the under quilt there. Awesome setup. My setup is back here. I'll be breaking this down here in just a few minutes and getting out of here. But we burned a lot of wood last night, and everything was kind of damp, so it was a little bit slow going at times. But once we got a good fire going, it wasn't that hard to keep it going. All I did was put up a ridge line and put my tarp up, and got a sleep mat there with my bivvy cover and the sleeping bag inside. I also got a wool blanket inside. That wool blanket came in clutch because I slept so warm all night long in there. It was cold getting in it because last night it was really cold, but once my body heat came up, I was good to go. Kind of did a poor job of staking this bad boy in, but it worked. It worked. Definitely kept the breeze off of me, but I was in a shell, so I probably wouldn't have felt it anyway. So lots of down trees down here. All I had was my little Fisker's hatchet. I didn't bring a saw, but if I had a saw and a bigger axe, we definitely could have split some of this up for sure and burnt that. This is an awesome campsite. It's they don't care if you burn anything around, so that's good. It's not like you have to buy firewood or anything, which is always nice. It's just absolutely beautiful out here, man. Absolutely beautiful. Because we were getting here so late, this is a site that you can drive up to. There's Dragon's sweet car. The Camaro. So SkinnyGPanda was with us last night, and she had to leave us last night because she had to get up for work today. But it was a fun time. Very fun. So it's time to pack up and get out of here. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone has an awesome adventure. I'll see you on the next one.